Kipsters, I'm going to go over the do now and how I would answer this question. So, once again, the do now said Greek gods and goddesses all have their own special powers and symbols. If you were a superhero, what special power would you have and why? So, I actually would choose Valkyrie. She is a Norse goddess from Norse mythology. You might have seen her in the movie Thor Ragnarok, so I can show you a picture of what she looks like and why I chose her. So this is a picture of her in the movie, but this is a picture of her in the comic book. I chose her because she actually is very strong. She's a very strong woman, and actually one of her superpowers that she has is she doesn't get sick very often. She has a really good immune system, so it's very hard for her to get sick. And I think right now, because of all the craziness, I think this is the most appropriate superhero to be. A symbol that I would say that would represent a Valkyrie is a Pegasus. So a Pegasus is a horse that flies, and I think that would be her symbol because she rides them. And Pegasus are also very strong and powerful as well. Um, so that's who I would choose. All right, we're gonna move on into the lesson. Okay, so please make sure that you push the next button and then listen to the instructions on the next form. All right, guys. Bye. See you in a little bit.